Level C. Mia, Jake, Carol, Barbara, Ford, and Jeff are all going to a costume party. Figure out what costume each person is wearing and then when they arrived at the party. Believe it or not, this is actually my favorite type of problem because it's fun and you get to be like a detective using your logical thinking to solve a mystery. So how many people are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The person that arrived fourth was wearing a bathing suit. Barbara was the last one to arrive. We can use a different color for the person. Jake and Mia arrived and stayed together. Okay, we're going to come back to that one. The first person was dressed as a French maid. Superman arrived right before Barbara, which means that Superman came in fifth. So here we have Superman. The potato heads were always together at the party. Here I'm starting to think that Jake and Mia might be the potato heads. Ford was a surfer dude. So he might be the one that is actually wearing the bathing suit, but we don't know for sure yet. The French maid was not Carol. So Carol is not the French maid. The vampire arrived after Superman. There's only one person who arrived after Superman, and that's Barbara, which means that Barbara must have been the vampire. So now we only have 2 spots remaining, and since we know that Jake and Mia arrived and stayed together, these 2 people must be Jake and Mia, who were also the potato heads. And now we already have Barbara, Jake, Mia, and Ford down because Ford was wearing the bathing suit. And if we know that Carol is not the French maid, then the only option that Carol has now is being the Superman. So Carol was the Superman, and the French maid, I guess, was Jeff. Now we have to answer the actual question. What costume did each person wear and when did they arrive at the party? So we'll just list the names down in order. First, it was Jeff, French maid. Then it was Jake and Mia, the potato heads. Then it was Ford with his surfer dude costume. Then it was Carol as Superman. And then it was Barbara. Wait. The last is Barbara, which is vampire. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that is our answer for level C.